Hey, so if you've seen previous videos about chords where I've talked about borrowing from parallel major or minor, there's one chord in particular that is like the first go-to that you should consider borrowing, which is when you're writing in a major key, consider borrowing the flat major 7 chord from the parallel minor. Parallel meaning that it has the same one, so C major or C minor is parallel. So normally in C major, the 7 chord is built on the half step below the C or the 1, and it's just kind of like, you know what I mean? But B flat major in the key of C, or if you're in the key of G, it's F major. If you're in the key of A flat, it's G flat major. Who's writing an A flat? I don't know. Maybe it's good for your voice. So there are 2 ways to use a flat 7 chord. One is to just build it in to the chord progression like it's a regular part of the family right out of the gate. So there are a lot of songs that use 1, 4, and flat 7, okay? You can also substitute the 7 for a 5 chord, a flat major 7 for a 5 chord sometimes. You can use it right out of the gate as one of your regular chords. The other way to use a flat major 7 chord is to save it until a moment when you need that little sparkly sparkle on a lyric that's really important, and then you pull out that special chord that we haven't heard yet, and suddenly we're paying attention. So say you're just going along with chords that are normal, you know, nothing surprising. You vary it a little bit, you know, a little bit. And then you throw that in there when you want to say the lyric that you really want everybody to pay attention to. And then you go back to that. It can resolve to the 5. It can resolve to the 4. It can resolve to the 1. It can resolve to a lot of things. It can resolve to the 2. You just find another chord that's either like stepwise down, like the notes all kind of step into each other nicely, or you find a chord that has a similar chord tone with it, and usually that can go nicely to that. But the flat major 7 chord is a really good one to have in your roster. It's either part of the family right out of the gate, or it's the special color you add later. Those are the 2 ways you can use that one.